Presenting the HP DeskJet 1112 single-function color printer. This printer is ideal for occasional home and office usage requiring less than 100 prints per month. Its compact design helps you save space on your desk. This printer uses Inkjet technology to produce high-quality prints. It is a single-function printer, which means that the printer can only print and cannot be used for other functions like copying and scanning. It can print in color and black and white. Connect to this printer using the USB cable. You get a printing speed of up to 7.5 black and white pages or 5.5 color pages per minute. The printer also supports multiple paper sizes to help you with various print requirements. Printing cost per page is 4.8 rupees for black and white prints and 6.6 rupees for color prints. The compatible ink cartridge for this printer is HP 803 Tricolor and Black Ink Cartridge. 1 unit each of both these cartridges come free with this printer. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.